In this video, I will compare Angular versus Flutter. Angular and Flutter are both powerful frameworks, however, they serve different purposes in the development world. Angular is a powerful full-fledged framework developed by Google, primarily used for building dynamic single-page applications and complex enterprise-level websites. It uses TypeScript and provides opinionated structure with features like two-way data binding, dependency injections, and modular architecture, making it ideal for large-scale applications that require robust tools and consistent management. Angular is provided well suited for developing and developed complex web applications. However, on the other hand, Flutter, also developed by Google, is a UI kit primarily designed for creating and compile applications for mobile, web, and desktop for all single codebase. Unlike Angular, which focuses on web-building applications, Flutter is centered around cross-platform development, providing a fast development cycle and a rich set of pre-built widgets for creating beautiful, highly customizable user interfaces. Dart is the programming language used in Flutter, offering a reactive-style development. Flutter is ideal for building mobile apps and high-performance mobile apps or applications. In summary, Angular is best suited for large-scale applications that require structured development and complex business logic, while Flutter shines in building cross-platform apps with a focus on beauty and high performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.